All right, now we can lock in. Sorry, I had to let the dog out of here. So I got the go back 20. Because then if I do this every day, I can't keep having that happen though. I can't keep running out of soul, dog. It's really crazy problem to have, you know? I'm just a little afraid to there because I can drain my because bugs, air, they always have control of my future. I'm gonna use pleasure tabs as possible because I'm the monster, dude. Tap him. He did. How many tabs you made tabs? All right, this one looks like a trade here. This one looks fine. Looks like it's back here. I don't hear they're failed. This one back. This one is buying. Sunny. Okay, that looks fine. Air the gore. Okay, good. Banana. Boss. Some of the banana. Okay. Um, LARP AI. Meme. Oh man, it sold the meme and then meme went up. It's too bad, but whatever. It's the rules. So a bunch of buys. Okay, these are looking good, dude. It's looking great, actually. My one worry was I'm submitting the double out. Like, when things calm down, that double buy will get you into a double position a lot. But it doesn't look like I'm getting into a double position a lot. Well, there and there. Okay, though. Okay, these. I'm not. It's random. But you know what? Command. Thank you. Thank you. Sipping coffee. We are the music makers. The dreamers of dreams. I'm listening to some music. I don't ever listen to music. Listen to like mind music or something. But now I'm listening to some hacking music. Some hacker music, dude. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, okay. We back actually. So all right, six. What else? What's next? What's next? Okay, beautiful, dude. Yeah, okay. Look great. Those look, dude, fine and dandy. I have this other file. That's a beautiful file. Okay, so read me. Think
I don't care how good you are on anything. You don't have discipline. You ain't nobody. Right. Because you destroy. You love what you hate. Break. You can.
I'm gonna say this copy and it's address line there then do all do in except zero. And what I want to do then is split this. Yeah, let's split this, dude. Okay, I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna split this then. Um, yeah. So this is 14,000 wallets. Okay. and I can regenerate this whenever I want. Top gainers, I believe I did. Yes. Desired results. So copy path here. So these are the top gainers. I'm using that new top gainers API key. Or not API key, but bird eye call. Drop dupes here. And so let's make a readme. I'm on my readme, so send that. Okay. So 11:17. A second. Wallet, and we'll split into two. Okay, so perfect. This is gonna be perfect, dude. I'm gonna show you the actual day in the life of. That's gonna be fire too, dude. People updates through file in the wallet folder. We just set one CSV at the top in the constants that it will go through. This way I can change the CSV and run on multiple instances. So we will remove the loop through folders option entirely. Nah, actually, F that, dude. F that. This my hot spots that were it's cut falling. Okay, perfect. Is Gucci in? Man, let's run it. Okay, it's running. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Life is perfect, dude. Just do a little side quest on the side. You know how that goes. Boom, boom. I got a big plan. No way. No way. No way. Let's go ahead and say 2 and send 30. Okay. Send. Okay. Close. And then I want to keep an eye on this. So let's go ahead to Soul Scan. 777, dude. Much love. I'm glad you're here. Working on all types of things today. Always. Gotta step on the gas. Gotta step on the gas. I actually like that one way better. I like that one way better. So how should I approach this? Okay, let's think about it. Okay, yeah. I'm actually gonna do what I just said. Accept, okay. Um, also update it. Also update this so that I can change the wallet address that we check for recent sends on, and then at the top as a on as a constant up top so I can change that wallet to perfect, 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 perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's accept. Okay, here now to put in the path here, but I want to have for there for drop dupes split in two. Rename .py. Please split this CSV into two, so and keep the columns. Just rename the them part 1 and part 2. Final wallets. Final 1 and final 2, and save to same place. Okay. Copy path. Copy path. Okay. Sweet, dude. I love this game. Let's run it up, dude. I gotta hit my 100 credits a day, dude. 100 credits a day. I had to upgrade yesterday. But I'm trying to get 100 credits a day. Command R. Thank you, somebody out there. I'm trying to get 100 credits a day. I started at 485 or something. 100 credits a day keeps the doctor away. Okay. So cut them both. Okay. So now we have this cut. So I'm gonna say copy path here. And we'll go here. This will be the wallets for that one. And perfect. Perfect. See if it works. Yep. Looking great. Perfect. And then for this will be a copy. Let's copy this, copy, and then paste main 2 here, and then I need to change this up here, and that should be this. Copy here. Okay, paste it in. Perfect. Okay. Now, do I need to change anything else? I do, actually. I gotta change the key. Dude. So D dot, where you at? D dot, D dot, D dot Helios key, D dot Soul key, Soul key 2. Okay. Now I gotta go put my private key in there. That's crazy, dude. That's so crazy. I have to do this live. This is why I have this screen, dude. Bye. Bye. Finally got you on stream. I'm so glad you're here, dude. I hope you get everything you ever see when you close your eyes, dude. Much love to you, bro. Thank you for being here. Thank you for finally catching me. Thank you for letting me catch you, dude. Let me catch you, dude. Come on. Thank you. Much love to you, dude. So much love. All right. Let's step on the gas then. Okay. What do I need here? I need my key, but it's blocked. Okay, perfect. Good. I'm glad it's blocked. Let's go ahead and figure out how to get my private key without showing you, dude. I can't show you this. I'm sorry. I wish I could. You would probably enjoy this $19 I have in my account if I showed you my Solana private key. This $19 would buy you a Big Mac. One Big Mac. And no, it's not gonna buy you me. That's not what I'm saying, dude. I know I'm a Big Mac, but it's not gonna buy you me. Stop it, dude. Soul key 2. Paste that bad boy in, close it, and then you're never gonna see it. Sorry. Screen. Okay, Soul key 2 is there now. So I think that's it, dude. Let me go ahead and make sure that I get another. Let's see here. First things first. Okay, step 1 is this. Okay, step 1. Step 1, swap that for that. Okay. USDC for Sol. Okay. 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 Perfect. Now let's go over here and think about this a little bit more, dude. A little bit more. I think I'm just gonna do it from here. That makes more sense. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Perfect. This is gonna be way better because yeah. Okay, I got it. I'm just gonna find a wallet here, copy path, and I'm gonna use that one instead because it's just gonna be better, in my opinion. But who cares? Who cares about my opinion? So this is bot 2. This is for account 2, which I want to turn into main account, it looks better. Looks doper. Okay. Sick, sick, sick. Okay, I need to write something down. Just a note here. Okay, dude, sweet. Let's see what these final wallets is looking like. I kind of want to build that. That's fire, actually. Let's make a to-do for today. 11, what day is it? 17? Yeah, that's gonna be super sick, dude. Yeah, this is where we want to be. This is where I was trying to get to, dude. This is where I was trying to get to, dude. Yeah. We got this, B. We got this. Okay, so now that we're here, we're locked in. We're all the way locked in. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go to main 2 here. See if this works. ADI1, checking. Recent TXs, perfect. Yeah, this looks like it's working. Let's see. Checking TXs, perfect. Okay.
I don't care how
And
good
I'm
you
gonna keep
are
an
on
eye
anything.
on
You
this
don't have
here.
discipline. You ain't nobody.
You ain't nobody.
You're nothing.
Nothing.
Discipline. Because you give up under the slightest struggle.
Slightest struggle, dude.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do,
But do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can do that, you could be successful in anything.
You know, you normally are.
You normally are. There we go. I like that. That's better. But update this so it checks. Two different ADIs in the TXs. This is the second one. If either are there, then we pass. Okay, so here's the second ADI. Got that ADI. Da da da. Run it back. So 100 credits a day, dude. That's the new KPI because that means I'm really working. I mean, at least AI is working. So I started at 484 or something, 45. Just run it up all day long. Because I know some people out there can't, so I'm going to do it and then show you. You know? In case you can't do it. I can do it. I can do it, dude. Dun dun dun. I need to upload that vid. And then I want to ask, let's see here. I want to ask AI something. Ask AI something, why don't you? You always do. Okay, that's getting uploaded. Perfect. And then let's close this for a second. Or click new project. Okay. No, not new project. CapCut, layout, more, back to homepage. So let's go ahead and say 11:16 now. I gotta process this, dude. Does it have the intro already? I think so. Does this little... I'm gonna trust it has an intro there. And then I just need to export it here. So dun dun dun. Alright, that broke. I'm actually not gonna export it right now because I'm just gonna write down my list to do because then it won't slow down the stream. Export the vid from this week. Okay. So I really want to build some tools here that, yeah. Okay, let me just explain it to AI because we'll just build it. So copy trader here. Traders, JS, top traders, .js, I think. Yeah, I don't know how to, just FYI, so bear with me here. Build me a tool that can display a table on my ClickFunnels website as a JavaScript plug in. Here, I'm gonna actually say this. Plugin that essentially pulls in the first 500 lines of this data here. Okay, let's go get that data because I'm a data dog. Tokens, trending tokens, recent token IDs, bots to study, trending tokens, wallet addresses, recent trending tokens, raw, human. These are the ones. These are the ones. The human traders, yesterday, today combined, bot traders, human traders combined. Copy path. Okay. This data here, I have a server using Ubuntu, a VPS using Ubuntu, and I can log in remotely through my VSC to hosting that step of my on, and the way to get it done with you, but walk me through slowly. I'm, I'm most unsure about how the where in some to fund the idea. Help us website the web I use. Then we'll create a JavaScript widget. We can set up a simple Express server to serve the CSV data on JSON as JSON. Then we'll create a JavaScript widget that can paste directly into your ClickFunnels that fetches and displays this data. Let's break it down. Setting up the API server. First, create a new bot on your VPS and create these files. Create server.js. Create the ClickFunnels widget. Moondev toptrade.js. On your VPS, steps to deploy. Make sure your VPS allows that. In the Moondev toptrade.js file, replace your VPS IP with your actual VPS IP. Make sure your CSV file doesn't contain any sensitive data before exposing it through the IP. Okay. Doesn't look too hard. Doesn't look too hard at all. The question is, do you want to do that? I don't. Some ideas I've put on the like priority. That's exactly what it is. It's not priority. More stuff, dude. I can't again. Side quests like that. Yo, skit. How many percent? I got 1,000,000%, bro. 1,000,000%. 1,000,000% per day. Check out the roadmap resources, moondev.com. DJN49, what's up, dude? How are you? Good morning, Bartholomew. How you doing, dude? How you doing, dude? I built a tool for top gainers and we're Gucci there. Okay, awesome. So since we built that top gainers tool, I want to build something else. I want to see what everybody is trading. Okay, so that makes sense, right? Why wouldn't I do that? Let's see if I can put this chat here. That would be fire, dude. If I could just have it down here at all times. I mean, we don't need it down here, but I was just wondering if I could have it below so I could see it. There we go. That's actually a good spot for it, dude. Oh, it disappears is the thing. Well, that's fine because I don't want it to be there. I don't want it to be in my face until I want it to be in my face. So, yeah, let's do that. Okay. So now what I want to do is, let's say top gainers. Top gainers. Top 10.py. So essentially I want to build out a tool here. Build a tool that looks at the below CSV and look at the wallet balances of each of the and ranks the top 10 of the tokens. So essentially each person on the list and finds the top 10 tokens people are holding. So for example, there may be 200 people being bonk, 100 people with etc. I want to be the top 10 tokens. Okay. So let's go ahead and do it with a semi-long list. Super long. Let's just do our cut following. These are the people who follow. Yeah, for sure. Wallets combined. Okay, that was good, but I made it different. Following actually. All right. API key. Look, PY and here's how to keys and you explain away. It's not how it is. Perfect. See what happens here. Should have in here. Healy. Shorty. Any up, bro. I'm playing so time. Geez, so well there you are. That's super fine. Use Bird Eye. Use Bird Eye to analyze their wallet balances, and then it will be easier. You can see how I use Bird Eye here to get my, let's go to bot.py. Check the bot. At bot.py has some good example. Bird Eye's only $97 now, so step on the gas, dude. If you ain't got 100, you not welcome in the Solana. I'm sorry. It's just like you gotta step on the gas, dude. I'm not even like I was sad to use Bird Eye for a while because it was 200. I feel like too high, but 100. Yeah, they 100. That's worth it, in my opinion. Um, two, in order to get that to this. You should enable long context settings, allow way more. Far bro, if Twitter now, no. I need to see I wanna no, just the just the head of the so I can see there. Then make sure to save the top tokens to a CSV. Actually get top 25. Okay, perfect. I like that better. So enable cursor settings here. Privacy model. Features enabled, partial accept, cursor prediction, auto import, composer enabled, code base synced, docs, chat, always search the web, fade chat stream. If on, the chat stream will be in a fade effect. Default no context, submit chat with no context by default. Scroll a narrow scroll bar for the AI. Scroll chat automatically scrolls chat as generated. Show chat history file collabs editor. Show chat edit tool and kernel beta notepads. What is notepads? Craft and share context between chat and window control panel that shows up in separate window. Long context chat. Use Claude's 200K token context window at mention a folder to put the whole entire folder if it fits. Also more powerful, slower code-based chat enabled. Thank you, sir. Much love. Appreciate you. Much love. Much love. That's fire, dude. Fire, dude. Thank you. Thoughts on Purple Pepe? I am not sure. 777 Dre, thank you. And 777 Hacker, thank you, bro. Much love. Okay, so top gainers, top 10. Let's go ahead here and say I'll modify the script. Okay. Let's go ahead and run it, dude. Run it up all day. Yes, please. I'm not seeing it, dude. Token, go. Okay, so you can see Brainlet. Token Salsa. Vibe. Current top 5. Unknown 10 holders. Throne holders. What is Throne Pepe? Okay, this is a good tool, dude. This is a good tool, dude. What wallet we on? It's 222 out of 124. Okay, so this is a good little tool we just built here, dude. It's a good little tool. It's a great little tool, dude. Yo, 777. Thank you. You do have to start a new chat to select long context window, though. Thank you. Is the bottom right your algo trading? I don't know what the F I'm looking at right now. Just clicked on. Hey, Blake, how are you? You can go ahead to moondev.com, get a roadmap resources, and it answers all your questions. These are orders coming in on Binance. But I answer that question on moondev.com if you want to check it out. The feature will help you tons, way better than normal SONET. Thank you, dude. That's so dope. And I will start a new chat right now. Peace, bro. Thank you. So you can see these are dope. This is dope. I'm excited to see the top tokens these people are holding. Very excited. This is a good little tool I just whipped up in 10 seconds. Thanks, AI. Step on the gas. It's crazy. They tell me they make fun of me for using AI, dude. Developers make fun of me for using so much AI, but I build tools in 2 seconds. First they laugh at you, bro. Dude, they've been laughing at me since day one. I use AI since day. I've been on ChatGPT since day one, only coding with it, and they were laughing. They were laughing, but now they're capitulating. They're capitulating now. They're joining. They're here now. It's good. Much love to them. It takes a while sometimes. We move fast around here. We move fast. We have to move fast because we're live every day, dude. We're so live here, dude, that we got 10, 15 people coming, and it's just not me here anymore. No, it's me and 10, 15 more people every single minute throughout the day. Stop in for 5 minutes, drop the alpha off. Dude, you see how powerful this is, bro? Do you see how powerful this is, dude? Come on. All right. So here are the top tokens here. Beautiful. So I want to look through all of these because these are based off of my... Yeah, this is sick. Okay, let's write what this is first. So this tool, based on my cut following, which is my main follow list on my copy bot, I built a tool that will show that my followers are holding. I guess that's who I'm following. My followers? Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I don't really care. Yeah. My list is holding. My list. My list is holding. Okay. I can run this frequently to see what popular tokens my followers are. My list, dude. Why are you saying followers? I don't get that. Are holding. Okay, so, and when did I build this? I don't know. 2 seconds ago, so 11:17. Sweet, dude. What's it called? What's the CSV called? Top 25 tokens. So yeah, dude, this is gonna be fire actually. Fire in the chat, dude. Fire in the chat every day, dude. Reveal and finder. Okay. We've already had fire in the chat today. We've already had fire in the chat, bro. Thank you. Thank you for teaching me about the cursor thing. That's fire. Okay, so you can see here, these are all the Tokis, and unfortunately, I'm gonna have to. Here, let's update this. So, update this code so that the last line of the last column has the bird eye link in it like this. Bird eye, all trending. Whatever, I'll just go to bird eye real quick. Bird eye, where are you? Bird eye, okay. And we're just gonna click a little. Can we just not show this ever again? Skip. Bird eye, here we go. Like this. Format. Unlink, please. Process wallets, perfect. I'll raw dog it this time, but for next time it'll be nicer. Because Nah, I'm not raw dogging it. Let's run it. I'm so lazy, bro. I'm so lazy. We'll see. We'll see. I just have a lot of things on my plate today, so I want to give myself a little time to think for a second. And let's check out the README. So new tool. $11.17. New tool. Tool made. See top 25 cumulative collective holdings of my following. My follow list. Follow list, and that is here on I need to rename this by the way. Top 25. Copy path, relative path. Okay, perfect. New tool done. What's next though? What do I need to do next is the question. Beautiful. That was a beautiful
I'm not
just
negotiating
little.
with myself.
Yeah.
The deal was already made. The deal out that this is the training plan I'm doing. I signed that contract with myself. I'm doing it. You know, throughout that process, and yourself like, man, I think I need to, maybe if we, nope. No.
Oh,
This is not
free
negotiable.
GBT, dude. Free chat GBT. Let's do that real quick. Free chat GBT. So there's a bunch of winners. Free chat GBT. I'm gonna give out these winners right now. Yeah, let's do that. So in the Discord here. Let's see here. Okay, I found some winners here. So I don't know how to give lunch the week days, but looking for up to a day to give free chat GPT to. A free chat GPT subscription. It's in the Discord. You can learn about it here on moondev.com and get to the Discord, all that. So I'm looking for people to give free chat GPT to for a month. And I have some winners here. And I don't know, like I want to give away one per day or two per day, but I'm not going to just, you know, like if there's no MVPs of the chat, there's no MVPs of the chat. But I got some MVPs here. Let's say winners of the regular chat. We got Draco for sure. Draco is absolutely a winner of free ChatGPT for shizzle. Let me write this actually. At Draco for sure. Members chat. Diamond Flame. Absolutely just crushing the game over there. And we'll go through that here soon. Okay, we got another nominee here. Kimball. Winners from the Kimball. So you guys free. Let's see who else we got nominated here, dude. Draco again. Draco and Diamond Flame. Yeah, dude. So I'm giving away 3. I'm giving away 3 right now. And essentially, how do you get these, dude? Free ChatGPT subscriptions. Go up in the drop dimes, bro. Drop dimes. Drop fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. All right. You put fire in the chat. Things that are helpful for quants, algorithmic trading. We're all attacking the same game. And you can read about the free ChatGPT here, but the essentially the MVPs of each day. Like I'll give away up to 2 per day. And I think this is good, a good practice. Like I wanted to give 2 a day, but like, you know, it's got to be fire. It's got to be fire. So we got 3 winners here today. So 3 winners. First 3 winners of a free ChatGPT account for a month or 20 USDC are at Draco, at Diamond Flame, and at Kimball. Check out this post here, dude. Congrats to them. Copy text, copy message link. Y'all are the MVPs. Check out the check out how to become the next VIP MVP in order to get a free ChatGPT month subscription. Here. I'm trying to give I'll give up to 2 subs. Yeah, no, you can read about that there. I need to have mad love here, bro. Fire emojis. I need fire. I need everything. Do some of those. Yes. Yes. Celebration, bitches. It's a celebration. Okay, sick. First 3 winners of a free ChatGPT. DM me. DM me here on Discord. Do I want it on Discord? Do I want to be DM'd? That's fine. I can handle 3 people. DM me here on Discord with the to claim. Okay, perfect. At Moondev. Okay. First 3 winners of the free ChatGPT account for a month or $20 USDC are Draco, Diamond Flame. Thank you so much for your fire posts this week. Okay. Check out how to become the next MVP. Daily MVP. All right, sick. Yeah, but why isn't the chat channel locked or so? I don't know. Okay, I'll lock it, bro. Let's delete your messages. If you want to be the mod around here, dude. Oh man, I was letting y'all be in this channel because I thought it was good for questions and stuff, but whatever. It's all good. We got a lot of smarties up in here. Let's go up here and say they can't send messages. Perfect, dude. Perfect. Okay, nobody can send messages now. Your request has been your request has been approved. It's been approved, dude. It's been approved. So I'm gonna delete all messages here. And let's go ahead here. I'm gonna try. I want to give out 2 a day. Every day there will be up to. I'm gonna say up to because, you know, obviously I'm not just gonna give it to everybody. There will be up to. The first 2 winners will be announced. Starts today, and the winners will be announced on stream on stream. I don't know when. I don't know when. Randomly. It's gonna be randomly on stream and pinged here. And pinged here a couple times per week. I just got to make sure that this isn't a distraction. I want to give as much as possible. Again, Sundays are God's day, dude. Just put out love, bro. So part of this program, there's like D. That's that. I'm really privileged that $20 is not a lot of money. So there's places in the world that $20 is too much to afford. So why not? Why can't I just pay for it people? Because then you can sub on the gas. So I believe code is the great equalizer, and truly think if you learn to code, then you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. I thought this before AI even got here, but now AI is here. It's even more important to learn how to code, because then you'll be able to use AI in order to accelerate your mission of whatever you are trying to build. So I want to pay for your ChatGPT subscription so you can build faster. The rules are simple. Every day, our team of mods will look through chat and members chat to see who the MVP of the day was. Those 2 people are awarded a free month of ChatGPT, including O1 access, so you can step on the gas. Or USDC equivalent. I just feel like that's going to be nice for some people that are just like, I'm good. And if you continue to add value to the chat or members chat, you can keep access to the ChatGPT for the following month. The idea is to reward those quant researchers who spread value and love. This program starts today, and the winners will be announced on stream and pinged here a couple times per week. Every day, there will be up to 2 winners of the ChatGPT subscription, paid for in full by me for 1 month. 1 MVP of the chat and 1 MVP of the members chat. Good luck. Okay, that's it. Perfect. Now people can't post in here, but mods should be able to be. I guess it doesn't matter. Beautiful. Okay, so you know how to do that. That's in moondab.com to get there, but we have some exciting stuff here that I need to look into. Those 3 people won the first 3 ChatGPT subscriptions, and that's fire, dude. That's fire. You should create a GitHub. Why? The rate limits on GPT is wild, but definitely worth it. Really want to say thank you for sharing all that stuff. Pleasure, dude, for coming, dude. What up? What up, Aziz? Good to see you, dude. Kidney guy here. Great to catch your live stream. What do you mean, kidney guy? What do you mean, kidney guy, bro? Pretty table. Oh, pretty table. I mean, that could be cool. That could be pretty. Getting fancy with it over here. Okay, so top 25 tokens now should have the link. Perfect. And can we just open it? Show can. So these are the top 25 tokens. Count. Holder count. What is this organized by is the question. I think it's holder count. Okay, so we have all of these, and I'm going to ignore the X community. What? I haven't heard of that. This is beautiful, dude. Alpha in the chat. Alpha on the screen. Alpha on the screen, dude. I'm gonna open a couple of these twice, but it's all good. Oh, it's only 25, so. Dude, I think I want 50. Update this. Because look, there's 20 people. All on the same one. Let's go here and update this to be top 50. Update this so it's top 50. 50 gainers instead. Okay, let's look at through these trash tokens here. Constance is... Oh, this is going to have a lot of bags in it too, huh? Just dead tokens. Definitely. Like they all got into these. Yeah, okay. Cool. We'll just look for the ones that are active still. Like this one's still active. Oh, it's Peanut. Let's go on Peanut, dude. Because it went crazy, right? Yeah. Went insane. So... $1.5 billion for Peanut. Wow, I didn't know that. Chi Pepe. Okay, so this is one that a lot of them hold. How long they've been holding it for is the question. Since April. That's a long time. Chi Pepe. The mashup of a Pepe and cheese mouse. May 17th. June 8th. Oh, so they're ghosts. They ghosted. Goat. Going crazy. Puka. 83,000. So maybe this isn't a great one. Great way to do this. I don't know. So let's update this so it gets 50. I think that it's not gonna be as up to date stuff. That's a good thought actually. It's not gonna be as up to date, but it's gonna be a lot of bags, a lot of bags. Pebble. Pebble. I just want to look at how baggy this is. Okay, so it's not super baggy. Something broke, dog. You broke something. It was just working. There's no trades on this. What? Baggy first for me. Dead. Seconds. The one. Okay. Let's see here. The thing is you just had this, dude. The thing is, this working. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm building a Solana bot here. Rug check would be interesting for that. Interesting. Kidney stone email I sent you a few days ago, and maybe it was your support who replied. Much love, much love, much love. Yo, much love, dude. Command line table. Yo, it's my pleasure, dude, to share this stuff. It's fun. Ah, I see the error. There's no chance. There's no. In order to call Happy Dog. I heard about that somewhere else. That's always a X community. What is this? Good. Bonk. Everybody owns Bonk. Okay, so any fire up in here? I heard Happy Dog somewhere else. Monkey AI. Don't know what it is. They're traders though. People are trading it. People trading this one? Yes. People trading this one? No. Are people trading Pebble? Yes. Are people trading Chi Pepe? Not really. And they rugged, right? Confirmed rugged. Yeah.
You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple. This is what I believe, and I'm willing to die for it. Yeah. Period.
To 20 minutes ago. Give me that back. Compare file, compare to previous, select for compare, show contents, restore contents. That's how you do it. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. So all you have to do here, I'll just do it because this shorty crazy. Output file top 50. She tripping over here ever since she got that long context window. She tripping, B. Oh man. 25. Top 25. Let's do top 50. 50. 50. Okay, now let's go ahead and see how that works. Top 50, cousin. It's top 50 now. Okay, so I wanted to get the top 50. Perfect. Chi Pepe, Ruggedy Rug, Pebble. Da-da. There's a lot of trades on this. This is Monkey AI. Not a lot of trades on that one. And this is Happy Dog. It's not a lot of trades. I mean, there's trades, but okay, let's wait for this to be done. Yeah. That's gonna be good. Two minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 31 seconds ago. Pebble's the only one getting trades, but I don't know. I'm curious to see what happens here with the new set of data we're about to get. Top 50. That's gonna be super dope. Scroll through these for a bit. ETH, Sol, Poo, Moo, Fart, Smoke, Whiff, Off, Trump, Doge. Doge has this thing behind it called Elon, which is insane, but it also prints out more tokens. Like the supply is infinite every 2 seconds. So it's a tough one. It's a tough one. But I like the volatility. I like these ranges here. And the access on Hyperliquid is nice. So yeah. 124 out of 124. Nice, dude. It looks like we're done here. Top gainers 50. And did it output it? There it is. Perfect. Top 50. Let's go ahead and reveal in Finder and see if there's anything new. I just like it better in the Finder. I'm such a noob, bro. I just like it better over here. I like it better. So let's get all of these open. Well, actually, you can go down to 25. Let's do 25 upward. That dude is so smart. $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25. Okay, dude. So this just looks like a baggedy bag. Everybody got. This looks like a baggedy bag. Everybody got. Any trades left? It's dead. It's a baggedy bag, but not too late long ago. No trades though, so not active. Not active. Wait, that had 37 seconds ago. I'm sorry. Hedgy. Hedgy. A meme with a dream, followed by everybody. Not everybody, but 3 people. Everybody. Okay, dude. Well, that one's still alive. Is this one? This one's alive too. Turtle Pepe. Dude, there's so many of these. Just October 4th. They rocked. They rocked. Frug USD. Stands for F Rugs. Does it get real trades or? Yeah. Born from the frustration. Hasby. Let's go this way. Soul Sex. Cody. Everybody got fart. That's a good looking chart, dude. It looks like a honeypot. Boy. Boy, oh boy. Our copy bot snagged that, dude. Well, that makes sense, right? Because it's literally copying these people, so. That makes sense. How's it doing? 778. If there's any, we'll look through that next. I'll look through that next if there's anything new there to be looking into. I'll get rid of fart, too big. Adrena governance. Peer-to-peer perpetuals. Trade at the speed of light with up to 100x leverage. Get this up out of here, dude. So, how much volume you guys got? High, low, volume, 12.6 billion. Provide liquidity, monitor. Anybody use this before? Never seen this before. I've never seen this before, have you? Anybody seen this before? Okay, well, let's see. Adrena. It's a meme coin. When did it launch? October 20 or September 25th, a few months ago. Well, all my wallets got it. Not my wallets, but 21 minutes ago with Kiwis. Crocs. There's just so much stuff out here, dude. P-Fire. The fire in the chat though? It's really for real? Fire? Or nah? Pepe on fire? Damn. Just like a bunch of clones. Billion, I mean. Gold Sea coin. Maru. It's just tokens that the people I follow they got. So 8 seconds ago. The trending. The trending monster La Pupa. The skyrocketed in popularity is now on Solana. I don't know who this is. Okay. What isn't on Solana is the question. It's down bad. We're still trading it though. How's this? I mean, that's a MEV wick, but 90% down bad. That's a gamble. If I've ever seen one. Okay, what else we got here, dude? Frug. Oh, the F-Rugs, dude. Is it being traded? A little bit. Checking on it later. Hedgy. Okay, cool. 80x is the only thing. I'm not interested in this. I'm just like curious if anybody else has heard of this exchange. I hate rugs. Yep. It's not being used right now. What you talking about, dude? What are you talking about? And yep, knew what? What's not being used? My cursor's not being used? I thought I enabled it already, dude. Server settings. Cursor settings. It's enabled. Window control panel long contacts. Yeah, it's enabled. Do I need to like manually enable it or something? Long contact shot. Got you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Keep me on my P's and my Q's. I appreciate that, dude. I really do. Long context chat. Okay, perfect. So that's rolling, dude. Rolling, rolling, rolling. I want to look through now my copy bot here that's been running. I want to look through if there's any interesting things here. Zero, heard it. Tuki, GG, Solana. GG, Solana. So, okay. Jamcat, Squirrel. Checking on this NVIDIA. NVIDIA on Solana. So looking like on the 4 hour here. Okay. So Deep Worm. His name is Gore Zero Token. Michelin Man. Mechazilla for scale. Kai Cenat AI meme. Stop it. What? No. Nigbot, dude. Stop it. Cult of Keck. The conspiracy from yesterday. I think I'm wrong, but it's okay. I thought it was like a 5% chance. Codex. Break it down. Reddit car. So anything under 4, I'm not that interested in because it means it's going down. Because that's the amount I put in. These ones up here, I want to be aware of. Like, what's going on? What are people trading? Like, that are going up, you know? Because then I can just pop them in. I can pop them into my other bots, dude. You know, I put a little bias for sure in there. This one's dead, dude. Get it out of my wallet. It will. It will get it out of my wallet. What's Mechazilla? Token on Solana blockchain driven by its community Elon's. Okay. Tuki going crazy still. So 10x almost. I mean, if it's at $30 in my wallet, it's 10x almost or more. Because, like, for example, Farcoin already took profits. Jamcat already took profits on a 30x, dude. Crazy. I'm a little nervous here about how my USD balance is going down here. And that's strictly because I added like 100 new people to copy. So I have to burn through this cash in order to figure out who's actually good at trading. And then, I don't know. I'm cool with it, though. I'm cool with losing this 200 because I put 200 in March, dude. March 20th, and it's at 778, and it's been a wild ride. It's gone up to 2,000 with the sniper. It went back to like 200 again, and then went back up to 800, and then I think we started the copy bot around 600. So it's just a great way to stay in touch. Like, I ain't trying to be one of those snipers that, like, well, sure, that'd be nice, but my bot actually closes positions. So some snipers are just like trying to snipe for like 20,000 X's. And I'm not doing that. I'm using it as like almost a scanner, bro. So I paid $200 for the scanner a year ago. Not a year ago, not a year ago. I also paid a lot with my time, dude. We had to build it. We had to build this whole thing. So much love to you. I built it here all on YouTube, so you guys see everything. GG's here. Okay, folks. In a past lifetime, I was chief liquidity engineer for a fund working for some of the biggest, brightest, youngest, and some now dead exchanges you all know, love, and hate. What I know, all the volumes are fake anyway. What I've come to know, spawning a custom Orca config where you earn their protocol fee is fast, cheap, and easy. And a fee tier and badges and config extensions. Oh my, then a pool. Lo and behold, a position now increased liquidity. However, if you're the only LPer and you earn the protocol fee, then I'm here to tell you starkly, you alone can trade the pool without any AMM fees at all. Don't believe me? Just watch. All this recent uptick in volume on PET FOMO 3D is free. Aside from initial costs, opportunity costs of locking up some FOMO 3D PET or prior fees, validators.
I'm not afraid to die on a treadmill. You might have more talent than me, you might be smarter than me, but if we get on the treadmill together, right, there's two things. You're getting off first, or I'm going to die. It's really that simple.
Some other token I haven't bought yet. This is, and then we a little bit, 69% GG's. Do I think this will churn literal trillions of dollars a day in volume within a calendar week? Absolutely yes. You do the math. It's just an interesting, like, whatever. I don't know. It's different. It's a different take. Well, it's cool. It's cool to see people innovating. So, what else we got here? Well, that bot is running perfectly. So, let's have that run for a bit. And I feel like I've set everything up I need for this beautiful Sunday here. And I went through all of my Solana stuff here. It's all running. The balances are good. An eye on here. That all looks good here. Okay. Are you using TradingView? I found your channel today. Not a lot, no. But that does lead me to a question I've been wanting to ask. So I'm gonna ask it. With TradingView, what would be the best way to make a custom indicator that pulls data from my VPS Ubuntu server from a CSV and adds up the amount of liquidations shown on that data, and when over 10M, it over X million, it shows an emoji with an arrow at that point on a TradingView chart. Creating a custom indicator of TradingView. Okay, perfect. From CSV on your VPS is a multi-step process, since TradingView scripts PineScript cannot directly access external files or databases. You will need to find a way to process your CSV data and integrate it into TradingView. Here's a general guide that outlines how you can step-by-step guide data processing on VPS. You need to create a script on your Ubuntu VPS that reads your CSV file, processes the data to calculate the total liquidations, and exposes this result via a HTTP API or CSV. You need to create a script on Ubuntu VPS that reads the CSV file, processes the data, calculate the total liquidations, and exposes this result via a simple HTTP API or a CSV file. Python, so we set up a little Flask app. Perfect, that's not too hard. Path to our liquidation file, sum it up. Make sure to install Flask, pip install Flask, and any other necessary. Expose your API. Ensure your Flask app runs on your main VPS and is accessible over the internet. Adjust firewall settings if necessary. So retrieving data in TradingView. TradingView's PineScript cannot make external HTTP requests, so you'll need to periodically fetch data from your VPS and store it in a format that TradingView can use. You can use JSON or CSV file periodically, either by running a cron job or on your VPS to create a new file, or manually fetching data through this script. Use a service like Google Sheets or similar to fetch and update this data regularly, making it available to a URL. Integrate data into TradingView with PineScript. Unfortunately, direct dynamic CSV or API calls are not available in PineScript. Instead, you need to manually copy paste or import the data into TradingView by using alerts or similar mechanisms. If you have a static data array you'd like to visualize based on specific conditions, you can define this in your PineScript. Here's a simple example of how this might be. How do I just rebuild TradingView for crypto only? They build for every asset. I don't want that. I just want to build a chart system for crypto only, and we will just pull prices from Binance or from Hyperliquid, and show our own charts so I can then build out a tool like the one I said above. Okay, so building a charting system specifically tailored to cryptocurrency, similar to TradingView, but focused exclusively on crypto is an ambitious project. You'll need a solid tech stack of technology and methods to effectively implement this. Below is a high-level guide to get you started on building your own system, guiding to building a crypto charting system, define your goals and requirements, determine the features you want. Choose your technology stack. I want to make this super simple. I want to make this super simple and just a JS plugin that I can plug into my ClickFunnels website. So it will be just of the Bitcoin chart for now, and it will call my API to grab the latest liquidation data. It's in CSV format, and I get it from here. So where's that, dude? Hyperliquid bots. Read me. What is this, dude? Liquidation API call. Where you at, dude? Where you at? Come on, fast. Fast always wins, dude. API call 17. API cal lick. Below is an example of how from the API like I show you below, but then we will, Okay, to create a JavaScript plugin that integrates a Bitcoin chart into your ClickFunnels website and displays liquidation data from your API, you can take a simplified approach using JavaScript libraries such as chart.js for rendering the chart and fetch API to get data from your backend. Here's how you can accomplish this step by step. So assuming you have a backend API set up that fetches the liquidation data in CSV format script as you should run online, say the endpoint fetch is, you see the endpoint, dog. Create your ClickFunnels integration. In your ClickFunnels account, you can add custom JavaScript, and in the custom JS section, okay, use chart.js to create the Bitcoin chart. You can use chart.js to create the Bitcoin chart. Here's an example snippet that you can use to fetch your liquidation data and plot it. Include chart.js in your ClickFunnels page. In whichever section you can add HTML, include that. Create the canvas for the chart. Write JavaScript to fetch and render the chart. Adjust the API call URL. Deploy and test. Adding an emoji indicator. Conclusion: by following the steps, you now have a simple JavaScript plugin that fetches liquidation data. Can this be done? Be a plugin for Notion? That'd be even better, because then I could just put it right here. Isn't straightforward in the same way that it might be for, okay, never mind. Okay, give me a step-by-step instruction for another AI to teach me how to do this. I want to go ahead with the ClickFunnels JS project. I just don't really want to do that, to be honest. Like I love this feature, but I give it to you guys already. I think it would be nice to have on a chart to be able to see where it's at, but like that's getting cutesy with it, dude. It's getting cutesy with it. I'm not doing it. I'll put it on the list though. I'm gonna say build a way to build a way to mark on my own charting system where liquidations are use JavaScript so can easily input into CF website and everyone can have it. Okay, that's interesting. I gave out the free ChatGPT already, and if you're new here, I give out free ChatGPT every day. I try to give up to 2 free ChatGPTs to Discord members. You can check it all out here on the moondev.com roadmap resources. Get in the Discord, all that good stuff. Giving your expertise in coding. Wow, dude. Thank you, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. Have you ever received job offers to work as an algorithm or quantitative analyst? Yes, I won't get a job though. I'm not a job guy. Trying to get Dex Screener API working. It has some good stuff. Nice, dude. It doesn't have that much though. That's the problem. Purple Pepe is interesting. That's what homeboy said. I didn't say it. I don't know what it is. Purple Pepe. Purple. Why is this interesting? First created on Solana. Why is this interesting, dude? Crop trader. I figure, fella. Thanks for sharing this with me. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. See what the community is looking like. Welcome to Purple Pepe, one of the original Pepes on Sol. Okay, so cool. It's new. It's an old one. Not a newbie. Oh, they're dead though. What the heck, bro? You're just up in here chilling? Damn, dude. You up in here chilling, bro. He's up in here chilling, dude. And they're not even posting on their Twitter anymore. Are they even alive? I think they died. I think they died, sir. Let's check that for all of these. It doesn't even have a Twitter. GG's. Is there any trades on this one? Not really. This is a bad one too. These are all dead, dude. So these came from the top traders. So the top traders on my copy list, which I don't know if there's any merit to this, but I don't know if there's any merit to any of this. All I can do is play the game that is being played. So I got this bot here trying to copy some addresses. And I'll show you one thing I want to try here. Let's make sure that this token here is buyable because it's been on it for a while. It's buyable. AI exchange stock. Oh my goodness. Buying this late AF. Why are you trying to buy this, dude? Alright, well, I'm gonna let it do its slug thizzle. I'm not gonna get in the way of it. They got another Twitter? Damn, dude. Sketch, bro. Get another, why you getting another Twitter, dude? What y'all doing over there? Oh, that's one thing I want to do right now, actually. So I want to find KOL's wallets. I haven't done that yet, so you know, I think that will be an interesting route to this. So let's do that. How do you find KOL wallets? I don't know. How would you do that? I'm gonna type in Mudang maybe? Or how would you find influencer wallets? Because I think that could be an interesting one to put on the list. But how would you do that? I know I have pretty much all of them. I have all of them, but specific to them, you know? Like, I have all of them because I have a list
I
of...
don't care how good you are in anything. You don't have discipline. You ain't nobody.
Right.
You're nothing without discipline. Because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline.
100%.
I mean, discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it.
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. That is a great quote.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can do that, you could be successful in anything.
You know, you normally are.
Is the master program still 55K? Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. That's not for many. That's not for most. That's not for most, dude. I got the boot camp for everybody. The boot camp is for everybody, dude. So if you want to learn this stuff for like inexpensive, like you're gonna lose more if you don't learn this stuff than the cost of it. So it's $69. And I teach you absolutely everything I know about algorithmic trading. I am not your guru. I am not the GOAT. I'm only on year 4 of 60, dude. So, you know, that's why, you know, I'm in the trenches with you every single day. And that's why I don't put like a crazy price on this. $69, dog, for 4 years of my research, essentially. And I show you step by step how to automate your trading in short, concise videos like everybody has requested. So, yeah, the like mastermind or whatever, 55 racks, but that's not for you, dude. That's not for you. It's not for you, dude. If that price is too much, that's not for you. This is $69. $69. Let's see here. That's why I need to figure out how would you go about using Twitter in order to find influencer Solana wallets. Search for keywords, Sol, analyze community engagement, monitor wallet addresses, use tools, Twitter bots, follow AMAs, no spamming, okay. I don't know how I would go about that. What does the 55K? It doesn't get you nothing, dude. It's not for you. Sorry, bro. It's like one-on-one stuff, like calls and yeah, dude. It's much different. You actually get contact with me. But yeah, I have to go through a long approval process. I gotta make sure that you're like a homie, essentially, because I gotta talk to you. You know, You got to be like my homie to get into that. So don't even worry about it until you're done with the boot camp. Be honest. Go through the boot camp. You're gonna be able to step on the gas yourself. You can save your cash, dude, and you know we'll talk about that later. I only let people in that have gone through the boot camp anyways, so it's pretty much a prereq because you know, like, yeah, you gotta learn this stuff no matter what. You gotta learn this stuff no matter what. You have to if you're a trader. If you don't learn how to automate your trading or at least use some code for the analyzing of your data, you're done. You're cooked. Done. Dude, we have AI now. Everybody else that is trading, they're going to start coming this way. And they are just gonna crush you, dude. Somebody's gonna do it. You know that for a fact. You're competing. Trading is PvP, dude. Do you think the person across from you is not gonna do absolutely everything they can to take your money, dog? We have AI now. You have to be utilizing code if you're a trader. If you're not utilizing code as a trader, you're cooked, bro. You know that. You know that because you know that other guy will. You see me all day, dude. I'm that other guy. That's me. Hey, I'm that other guy that's using AI. Come on. Come on, B. Step on the gas. You get that. Cool. You get that. I hope everybody else gets that. Much love. Good to have you here, Ola. Ola Olua. It's a dope name. 100% Hacker says. Gotta keep Hacker on our good side though, because his name implies that he'll get me. We gotta keep him on our good side. He a homie, so we're good. But be careful now. So I have no clue how I would go about that. And I mean, I can keep trying. Like, okay, what else is good? Maybe Fartcoin. I'm trying to think of like new tokens that have gone off and people are going to show off and whatnot. Still farting. I'm looking for. Dang, people really like Fartcoin, huh? I guess I Googled it. All right, searched it. What is this here? This is a cool little Kaito. Okay, cool. What is going on with Fartcoin, by the way? It's going crazy. It's the only thing up. I be a pussy sometimes when trading. It's all good, dude. Can you send your Discord profile page to YouTube channel? Join my friend. Can you prepare group Discord, YouTube channel, and Dar? Wait, what's you talking about? That? What's up, dude? And come on, bro. Chat, dude. A bunch of stuff. Send you Moondad roadmap resource thing. Scalable. I can give you everything. You listening Crazy kids, you know? These crazy kids be asking me to send a Discord link. No way, I ain't send no Discord link. You got moondev.com. It's got the link right there, dude. Come on, B. Come on, B. Step on the gas. I ain't gonna do nothing for you. I'll do it all for myself, but I'll show you everything. So is that doing something for you? Probably if you tap in every day, but if you don't, then that's slow KS, Poppy. Okay, let's see what else is on my list. I need to get some more stuff done here. I'm a data dog. Idea though. Wallets on a portfolio. On a portfolio. Nah, that's not it. Yo, BERT is something that's been talked about a lot, actually. So BERT, I think. BERT, Onion. Been seeing that a lot. 92 amps. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Fill the wick, dude, all the way back. All the way back. Catch y'all later. I'll catch y'all later. I'll catch you over there. I'll catch you on that side. Fan. That didn't work. Here we go. Nah. Okay, well, I think what I'll do is I'll just like keep an eye out for this then. KOL's wallets, just keep an eye out. Just keep an eye out. An eye out. I already have them all. I have all active traders essentially. You saw that earlier today. Top gainers is derived from, actually it's not derived from that, but I showed you that earlier. I had like a file